Hello everyone, so today we'll be making vegetable Frankie. The first step is to prepare dough for the Frankie. So for that I am taking about half a cup of whole wheat flour. Add half a cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Slowly add water into this. Once the dough is kneaded properly, add 1 tablespoon of oil into it. Keep the dough aside for some time. The next step is to cook mashed potatoes. So for this I have taken potatoes and I have chopped them into medium pieces. I put it in cold water so that they do not lose their color. Now when the water is boiling, I am going to add these potatoes into the water. We are going to let the water boil on a high flame. Once the water has come to boil, add about half a teaspoon of salt. Mix this well. Let it simmer on a low flame for about 12 to 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are done, we need to switch off the flame and drain the water off. Use a masher to mash your potatoes. So mash the potatoes and keep it aside. The next step is we are going to prepare the Frankie masala. Take about 2 teaspoons of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and about 15 black peppercorns. Dry roast them for 1 minute. After 1 minute of dry roasting, transfer this into a mixer grinder jar. Into this add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, add 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder or hing, add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, add half a teaspoon of raw mango powder, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now grind this into a fine powder. So the next step is the preparation of chili vinegar. I have taken about 5 green chilies. Add vinegar to it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt into this. Mix this well and keep it on the side. In the next step, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 green chilies into this. Add half a teaspoon of chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. To this mixture we are going to add our mashed potatoes. This well. Add about 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Add about 1 tablespoon of Frankie masala that we have prepared. Cook this mixture until all the moisture from it evaporates. Once the Frankie mixture is prepared, move it and put it aside and let it cool down. In the same non-stick pan, fry your rotis. You can add a little olive oil. Once the roti is cooked on one side, we are going to turn it over. So the next step is add our mashed potato or Frankie mixture onto this. On top of it, we are going to add a little cheese on it. Add chopped onions. Add 1/4 teaspoon of chili vinegar. Cook this roti on the other side also and we'll roll this. After this is done, we are going to roll it and use a butter paper to build the platform.
If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment any recipes that you would want us to make. Like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for all your support. Take care.